How to play Nice Buns, a bun-stealing dice rolling game. To win, be the first to fill your plate with 3 sets of 3 of the same coloured bao buns. To set up, pass each player a plate, put all the buns in the steamer bag and give it a shake. Take 6 buns from the bag at random and place them on the serving tray in the middle of the table. Then each player picks 2 non-matching buns from the bag at random and places them in front of them. The starting player rolls the dice. The small die shows how many buns to take from the bag. The medium and large show actions to take. This icon means put one of your buns back in the bag. These let you take 1 bun of any colour shown from the serving tray. If that colour isn't available, too bad. This one means give a bun to another player. This one lets you steal a bun from someone, as long as it's not on their plate. And this one means swap a bun of your choice that's not on their plate with someone else. They don't get to pick, loser. Whoever rolled the dice must now split them into 2 groups. The player on their left gets to pick which group to use and which the player who rolled them can. If you like, you can keep them as a group of 3, but that's rarely useful. Now perform the actions on the dice, starting with the smallest one and ending with the largest. Place any new buns in front of you. When you get 3 matching ones, put them on your plate, unless you have a fish head bun. Fish head buns are stinky. Add them to the largest group of the same coloured buns in front of you. If a new colour becomes your largest group, the fish head bun moves to that one. While the fish head bun is in a group, you cannot put them on your plate. Buns on your plate cannot be stolen, traded or given away. Don't be greedy. If you collect a group of 4 or more buns, including fish heads or not, you must put them back in the bag. If you have a set on your plate and then collect another of the same colour, back in the bag they go. The serving tray must have 6 buns on it at all times. When a bun is taken from it, replace it with one from the bag, unless it's a fish head bun. If it is, drop it back in and take a different one. Once a player's rolled the dice and they've been actioned, play moves left and the next player rolls. The first player to collect 3 sets of matching colour bao buns on their plate wins. That's Nice Buns. Yum!